Walmart just off Morganton Road is where Albert Harris died in the shooting. Another person tonight is in the hospital with critical injuries. Details on a suspect have not yet been released. The news tonight, a teenage girl is killed after being hit by a car.
Why we have dog toys or cat toys?
Cat toys.
Drop it.
Uh-oh.
Good boy.
The highway patrol says a car was stopped with a flat tire when a black pickup truck hit two 17-year-old girls.
I'll keep him entertained. He's got ice cream over there that he abandoned for
Yeah.
this.
The driver of that truck took off and has not been found. An Italian prosecutor is requesting life sentences for the two American students accused of killing a police officer.
Drop it.
Finnegan Lee Elders
Good boy.
and Gabriel Natalie Horth are charged with stabbing and killing Vice Brigadier Mario Cerciolo Reyna back in 2019. Police say the two stole
He's so
backpacks
silly.
from a man they tried to buy drugs from while on vacation in Rome because they were sold crushed aspirin
Drop it.
instead of cocaine. Police say when they confronted two, one of them stabbed the officer and ran
He
off.
just can't ignore it. He tried to go to you.
Yeah.
Later this month.
What's your ice cream, boy?
The General Rescue Mission is continuing to serve the community today.
Grab his
Giving away
cup.
more than
It's a little behind
1,000
it. Well,
farmers to families
maybe
food
he's out.
boxes to families struggling.
Think he finished
financially
it.
because of the
Yeah.
pandemic. Giveaway
Drop it.
is the result of a
Good boy.
partnership between
Hey,
USDA
drop
and
it.
local food distributors to buy $6 billion in fresh food. Each box contains meat, a gallon of milk, a pound of cheese, potatoes, and vegetables. And for Women's History Month, we are celebrating women across the country while many are inspiring the next generation. Others are also falling behind out of work to take care of their loved ones while we deal with this pandemic. Next week, hear stories of resilience, achievement, strength,
He has
and
to get
perseverance.
some.
Our
Get it,
American
Ouch.
Get it, Ouch.
each night at 5:30.
Get
Drop
it.
it.
Right here.
Drop it.
At the Cell.
Vegas. Drop it.
All right, the
Good
Pack
boy.
pulling off a fourth quarter comeback.
Ouch isn't interested at all.